Well, this is something that you did, Kyle, was putting together a snack packet for when you're doing riot shows.
Yeah, so if you guys didn't see the post I put up, I had showings on Saturday, and we went for like 4 hours. Well, 4 hours is a long time to be out showing property, and I know if I'm gonna get hungry during 4 hours, they're gonna get hungry during 4 hours. But I don't want to make 4 hours into 5 hours and like mix up, a stop in the middle to go get food and everything. Now, if I had the time, then maybe I would keep the relationship going. But yeah, I just put a little snack pack together. I put in some granola bars. They have 2-year-old kids, so I put in like a little kids applesauce packet in there. Put some fruit snacks in there for the kid. The kids are more important than the parents. Those of you guys that don't have kids yet, think about the kids first, the parents second. And when I talk about the parents, think about the female first, or females, depending on their scenario. The husband, if there is one, comes last. It's your order of priority. You guys will learn this. Some of you guys that are single should learn this. You might be single because you haven't learned this yet. Marriage forces you to learn this. So kids first, then the females, then the males. But yeah, put a little pack together. And then I even put little energy packets in there for them, like the ones you just pour in water and mix it up to give them some energy. So just be conscious of that stuff. And then I put some Voss water bottles in there and put it all in like a nice bag for them and stuff. Not the bag that you guys saw, I actually put that into a Whissel bag. But think about stuff like that. Like that goes a long way. Like they really appreciated that. And I guarantee you most agents aren't doing that. So that's definitely something to think about.